Hi, Namaskaram. Let's talk about mastering the bearish breakaway candle pattern. This candlestick pattern is, if you see here, there isn't a gap up happened with the initial thing, and there is no sustenance of the power left after the gap up. So it continued with equal or non-equal sizes also. Then all these three are covered up by single bearish candle. Before going to details, let's look at the disclaimer. Consult your financial planner or advisor before you take any financial decision. All the examples in this video are specific to education purpose, not for your trading purposes. Conduct your due diligence and understand the risk behind your investment. So what I'm saying is, I think we discussed about the candlesticks, bearish, bullish, green, red, black, white in earlier videos. Go through those videos. I'll explain very more clearly there. Bearish breakaway pattern is this one, where you have a gap up here, and then after the green candle there is a gap up and all three candles are green, and then you have a red which covers up all the three. So this is the example: three bullish candles, one bullish long and three bullish, and then a bearish covers up everything. If this happens on in an uptrend market, and you will be very happy to see these kind of things if it happens on an uptrend market. If you see here, if you draw the line, exactly it hit here, and then I think it started falling down. So trend lines, drawing the trend lines will help you. It's a medium reliability, but still you can make good money if you can able to spot on the top rather than bottoms. Don't do these kind of things in the bottoms. All the bearish candlesticks pattern which I said, like 60 or 70 plus, maybe well up to 80, 90, 100 also, all those things do specifically only for the uptrend in an uptrending market, because you are going against the trend, and this is also signifying going against the trend, or when the trend is changing, only then you will see these kind of things happening. I will show you an example here. The example is here clearly. The fantastic, I should thank my team. You see here one gap of 1 2 3 or 1 2 3, you can see here, and then there is a sharp fall happening, almost like 20% kind of a thing. You were able to got it. So important thing is, even if you see here 1 2 3, and then one candle covered up everything, but there is no green candle out here, but still then it made a good move for you. So these are the examples. So look at, until unless you practice more and more examples, more and more historical data, it is very tough to get master over this candlestick pattern. Identify the key characteristics, visual cases, visual cues and volume patterns. Recognize the market condition is an uptrend or a downtrend. It is almost like a peak. Identify the support, timing, entry. These are important. We will talk about the timing more astrological point of view also, all from an RSA indicators point of view also we will talk about later. But managing risk with stop loss orders, define stop loss and calculating stop loss, manage risk. Combining the patterns with other indicators. Yeah, you can enhance your trading strategies by including in your strategy RSI, relative strength index, and MACDs, and moving averages also, and the support and resistance levels also. Sometimes if this kind of formation falls, the double top or triple top or all-time highs, I would definitely, not the all-time highs, but double top, triple top, you can really see. Even head and shoulders kind of situations, I would definitely take the position out here. Common pitfalls you should avoid is overconfidence. Don't have overconfidence in your trades. Insufficient patience. Patience is what you have to, or it's a kind of a skill, if I had to say, you have to develop it. Disregarding the risk management, ignoring the market conditions. So even if you have shorted and the next candle is broken the current shorted candle high, then it is good that you exit rather than exiting. If you still hold on, then that is not a good way to trade. So incorporating the bearish breakaway candlestick pattern into trading line, define it, analyze and incorporate into your trading. This is important. Optimize your trading psychology by cultivating. Sometimes I would definitely, sometimes not every time, I'd say to my students, do meditation, do yoga. Hindu way of life is the best way of life to make money. I've seen all the Hindu gods are rich. If you see, all almost 99% of them rich. They are all like full of gold, all this, because they have the mindness, cultivate their mindness of rich, not the poor. Track and analyze your records and build confidence in when you take the trades. Confidence comes from clarity, clarity comes from the practice, and when you practice more and more, you will have the confidence directly. A simple example is if you are if you're doing your graduation, or if you're doing pre-graduation or high school also, if you are preparing for exams, if you practice for mathematics exams multiple times the same question, it is very easy to address that thing in your exam, something like that. Monitoring, then comes your confidence, because the since you practice, there is a clarity, and based on the clarity, what a confidence or something like that. Monitoring market trends and developments. In markets always evolve, so make sure you look at the markets, how it is functioning. Continuous learning and improvement, this is very important in trading. Unlike in other markets, maybe if you're in some operations team, maybe the same process might be continuing manual, but in this market, since it's dynamic, you have to learn continuously. If you really want some help in learning continuously, I have courses. I went through almost like many gurus, coaches and mentors, and I pay $100,000 for all of them, and now I design my own courses, consulting. They are not like too expensive, it is 1/10 of what they charge actually. So I help in consulting, and all those charges are 1/10. The portfolio review also, it is 1/10 if I had to say, compared to them. And the books I have written, there are subscription plans, and you can join WhatsApp. I have a course which is 1:10. For every 1 points risk, there is a 10 points return. So there are a couple of trades and times in a year you have to trade. Even if those times, if you do, you will make good money. We have social media handles also, you can join them. Thank you, and have a good time. Thanks for your time for learning the powerful bearish breakaway candlestick pattern. Thank you. Bye all.